Hello all. In the previous session, we have discussed the two classes of Java AWT, that is color and font. Let us see some more methods of a graphic class. This is an available in AWT package. That is, we have to import java.awt.star in our program when we use graphic class methods. Okay. Graphic class provides many methods for graphic programming. Java's graphic class includes methods for drawing many different types of shapes, from simple lines to polygons to text in variety of fonts and colors. These are the main methods of graphic class which we have going to see one by one. So the first method is draw string as index in y. This method is already familiarized in applet programming in order to print a string on the window. String s is the text which we have to print, and x and y means the starting and ending starting point of the string, that is s coordinate and y coordinate value. Okay, where xy position from top left corner of the window, that is from xy position we have to write the string if the string is hello. And the next method is draw line. Draw line is used to draw line between the points x1 y1 and x2 y2, where x1 y1 is the starting point coordinates and s2 y2 is the end point coordinate. In order to draw the line, we want two coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2. The next one is draw rect index into y into width into height. Draw a rectangle with the specified width and height where xy is the starting point value, top left corner value, and from here we draw the specified width and height rectangle. So into x into y, width and height. Then next one is fill rect. Fill rect is used to fill rectangle with the default color and specified width and height. Same meaning for parameters as that of draw rectangle. A solid rectangle will be drawn. That is, it is filled with a specified color. And the next method is draw round rectangle and fill round rectangle, similar to draw rectangle, fill rect respectively, except that they take additional two parameters representing width and height of angle of corners. Draw round rect and fill round rect are similar to draw rect and fill rect respectively, except they take additional two parameters representing width and height of angle of corners. These two methods represent a triangle with smoothed corners. These are the additional parameters taken by these two methods, corner values. Okay. Then draw round rect and fill round rect. So the parameters with additional three parameters, that is corner values. Is it clear? Smooth edge corner rectangle will be drawn by these two methods and filled with a color. Okay. Now draw oval. Is used to draw oval with the specified width and height. That is same way. xy is the top left corner value width height represent width and height of the oval. Okay. Then fill oval is used to fill oval with the default color and specified width and height. Same format as we specified in the draw oval. A solid oval will be created with the same meaning. That means solid oval means an oval shape will be drawn with a fill color. Solid oval. Okay. Then draw arc. Draw arc is used to draw a circular or elliptical arc where xy is the top left corner and width height represent width and height of arc. Start angle represents starting angle of arc. No degree represent number of degrees around the arc. That is xy is the corner. Width and height represent the width and height of the arc. Start angle represent the starting angle of arc. No degree represent number of degrees around the arc. Okay. Fill arc in order to fill the arc drawn. That is, when we draw a arc, it will be solid arc by using the fill arc method. Then draw polygon. Draw polygon is used to draw the polygon shape. A polygon, which is a geometric figure, has 3 or more sides. It is any two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. Triangles, pentagon, hexagon, etc. are all examples of polygon. The name tells how many sides the shape has. For example, consider the case of triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. And the first coordinate is x1, y1, second coordinate is x2, y2, and third coordinate is x3, y3. We already said that when we want to draw a straight line, it have 2 coordinates. So here 3 sides are formed by drawing straight lines from one coordinate to another. So triangle has 3 coordinates, which is labeled as x1, y1, s2, y2, s3, y3. So x points represent array of integers containing x coordinate. As we already said that polygon is a geometric figure has 3 or more sides. In triangle 3 sides are there, so there are 3 coordinates, 3 x coordinate and 3 y coordinates. All are of type integer. So x point represent an array of integers containing s coordinate, that is s1, s2, s3. And y points represent array of integers containing y coordinates, that is y1, y2, y3. And n points represent total number of points. Here total number of points is 6. This is the way how to draw a polygon. If we consider pentagon, then pentagon has 5 sides as the name indicates, and the number of coordinate is 5, that is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, x5, y5. That is, all shapes are formed by using straight lines. And the total number of coordinate here is 5. And x points represent array of integers containing s coordinates, that is x1, x2, etc., x5. And y points represent array of integers containing y coordinates, that is y1, y2, etc. y5. And endpoints represent total number of points. Here total number of points is 10. Okay. This is all about draw polygon method. This is all about the methods available in a graphic class.